Welcome to the vlog. Yeah. Oi. So today is Sunday and I always clean on Sunday. So follow me along today and get inspired and let's clean and get things organized because it is this weird time now with coronavirus and I am constantly cleaning, it seems like. So let's get started. In these crazy corona times, it feels good and it keeps me sane to clean. I feel like this is what I can do to help keep my family safe and healthy. Now during these weird times, I use alcohol wipes and alcohol gel on all my surfaces, all places that are touched every day. And I do this once or twice a day. I go over all my surfaces and handles. And here you can see I'm vacuuming with my lovely Dyson V11. I still love this thing. I'm now done with the kitchen and moving on with the living room, and it is looking crazy, and it always does every day, even though I clean every day and pick up things. And once it's cleaned, or even during when I'm cleaning, it's getting worse. And as soon as I turn my back, it's crazy again. Life with 3 kids. Now that I am watching this and watching the back of my head a lot, I can really tell I need to touch up my roots to look good again. So I'll need to do that soon. I'm just moving along with my alcohol wipes and making sure every bacteria is gone. And I've picked up all the toys, and now I'm just vacuuming Julian's room. And my stepson picked up his toys and vacuumed his room. He's such a big boy now and can do it by himself. Now the laundry is done. I need to get it dry in the dryer, and then we're gonna have some lunch. Hello, so it's now after lunch, and I just mopped the living room floor, and now I'm gonna deal with my bathroom. I am thinking I am gonna organize some bins because it's looking crazy in here. So that is what I'm gonna tackle right now. I'm gonna reapply my lipstick. Like that. So, join me in cleaning my bathroom and organizing my drawers. Laundry is dry and needs to be sorted and put away, so I'm just that right now. Since we've all been sick and I'm still trying to get over my cold, I try to change our sheets quite often now, more than I usually do, to make sure we can stay healthy and get better. I just love a freshly made bed. Alright, I am exhausted. I believe this is done for the day now. I've done pretty much the entire apartment, except for dusting our main bedroom. But I'll get to that tomorrow. Now I'm gonna jump in the shower and spend some quality time with my family. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!